Hello, third graders. Today we're going to go over lesson 7.10, problem solving two-step problems. If you take a look at the essential question, it is how can you use the strategy acted out to solve two-step problems? So we've definitely talked about solving two-step problems in class before, but we're going to use this specific strategy acted out to try a new way or reinforce a way we've already used possibly to continue to really dive into word problems and solve them. The first example that is on page 421 in your text reads, Madeline bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. The notebook costs $3. Each pack of pens costs the same amount. What is the price of 1 pack of pens? So if I think about what do I need to find, I need to find the price of 1 pack of pens. And then I'm going to ask myself, what information do I need to use in order to find what the price is? So I know that she spent $11 in all. I know that with that $11, she bought 2 packs of pens. And I know that she bought 1 notebook. I also know that the notebook cost $3. I'm going to use this information to act out the problem. So again, I know that she spent $11, bought 2 packs of pens, and also 1 notebook. I know the notebook was $3. So I'm going to start out with 11 counters and take away 3 counters. Let me explain why. I know that the total cost was $11. I'm going to take away the $3 from the notebook because since I'm trying to find the price of the pack of pens, I need to take away the parts that I already know, which is the notebook. $11 minus $3 is going to give me the cost of 2 packs of pens, which is going to be $8. So I can write in my $8 up here. I know that the 2 packs of pens plus the notebooks total the $11. Now, be careful, because some of you might have thought to stop there, but remember, they want to know how much 1 pack of pens cost, not 2. So think about it and try to write a number sentence of what you think would happen next. Go ahead and pause it. Okay, you should be thinking about how you need to make 2 equal groups out of this $8. So you should have a number sentence that is $8 for the 2 packs of pens divided by 2, which should give you $4 for each pack. So the price of 1 pack of pens is $4. So you can see, if we go back to the problem, she bought 2 packs of pens and a notebook for $11. The notebook cost $3. We took away the $3 to see how much the pens were. We found out that those pens were $8. Then our next step was to divide it by 2 because there were 2 packs of pens and we wanted to know only 1 pack of pens cost. Let's try this with another problem. I'm going to read this one through. Try to think where the two steps are within this problem. So, Chad bought 4 packs of t-shirts. He gave 5 t-shirts to his brother. Now Chad has 19 shirts. How many t-shirts were in each pack? Again, you're going to ask yourself, what do I need to find? I need to find the number of t-shirts that were in a pack. What information do I need to use to find that? Well, I know that Chad had bought 4 packs, and I know that he gave 5 t-shirts from those packs to his brother. After he did that, he has 19 left. So let's try to act this out. Well, I know last time I didn't actually draw the counters, so this time I did, just to help you visualize it a little bit. Now I know that I could have sat there and made fancy little t-shirts instead of dots, but we all know that that's not a good idea because we want to be efficient in our problem solving. So I just used quick dots. Here I have 19 dots, or 19 counters if you want to use actual counters. And if you think about going back to the problem, what happens with these 19? They're the 19 shirts. These are what he has left over after what? After he gave 5 to his brother. So we want to know how many were in those 4 packs. So we have to take these 19 that we have here, and we have to add on the 5 that he gave his brother. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, that is going to give us our variable, or the thing that we don't know, in this case T, to represent the t-shirts in the pack. When I add 19 plus 5, I get 24. So I know that there are 24 total t-shirts in all of the packs. I'm going to make sure to label my answer because it'll help me follow through with all my steps clearly. Now, ask yourself, what is the second step of this problem? Because if I go back to the question, have I answered the question? How many t-shirts were in each pack? No, I have not answered the question because my answer is the t-shirts in all of the packs. I don't want to know how many are in all of the packs. I want to know how many were in each pack, or one pack, for example. So I take the 24 total t-shirts in all of the packs. What am I going to do with it? Try to write a number sentence. Go ahead, pause the video. Okay, you should be getting that you take the 24 total t-shirts and you divide it up by the 4 packs, giving you 6 t-shirts in each pack. Okay, we're going to try one more, and then I'll give you your practice problem for your homework problem. Mac bought 4 packs of toy cars. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. Now Mac has 21 cars. How many cars were in each pack? Again, ask myself, what am I finding? I'm finding how many cars were in each pack. I'm going to ask myself what information I have. I know that there are 4 packs of toy cars. Then his friend gave him 9 cars. And that now he has 21 cars. I'm going to start out by thinking about what I know, and that he has 21 total cars, and think about what happened to those 21 total cars. Well, he got those by getting 9 from his friend. But I want to work backwards to what he originally had in the packs, those 4 packs he had. So I'm going to take away those 9 cars that his friend gave him, leaving me with 12 in his original packs. But after I reread my question, how many cars were in each pack, I know that I'm not done and I have a second step to do. I have to take my answer of 12 in all of the packs and divide it by the number of packs he had, which is 4, giving my answer of 3 cars in each pack. So by acting it out either in my head, talking it through to myself, or using counters, I'm looking at what action happened in this story. So if we went back to our first problem, the action was that she bought these notebooks and pens for a total of $11. She knew that the cost of the notebook was $3. So we had to take away that $3 so that we could divide up the cost of the pens. In the next problem, we knew that he had bought 4 packs, but that he gave away 5 of the t-shirts from within those packs and was left with 19 shirts. So we knew we had to add those 5 back on in order to get the original amount to divide up among the packs. And again in this one, we had the cars. We ended with 21, but that was after his friend gave him 9. We had to take away those 9 to find out how many were in the packs, and then divide up that total by the number of packs we had. So I'm going to give you a problem to practice on your own. Think about what action is happening. Draw out some counters and use number sentences to help you solve it. So for your problem that you need to work out on your own, you need to copy down what's in red. Ryan gave 7 of his model cars to a friend. Then he bought 6 more cars. Now Ryan has 13 cars. How many cars did Ryan start with? Go ahead and, as I did, circle and underline the important information. Make sure you try to figure out where the steps are and show that action with counters, how I did with the second problem in drawing dots. Make sure to use your number sentences and label your work and all your steps and your answers clearly. Good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.